Hello, sir. How are you? Okay, and let me give you the brief demo of board. And first, let me know what are the features within the board. So, uh, first of all, let me tell you, this board can be used in any group where you can add it, and this board can be used for taking the payment from the user. And if you have VIP group or the group that needs subscription, this board can be a very handy tool for that. You can add as many customizations as you want. So let me give you the brief demo of the board first. Now, once you will press start. Now if I'm the user of this board and I'm going to do the payment, so you will see this kind of interface. But using this board, you can customize the things for your customers. I mean, you can simply add this board in your channel, and once the user will interact with the board, it will do the payment like I'm seeing the options. And then once this payment is successfully made, it will add to the channel as well. Besides, it also manage all the subscriptions of the user. So once someone's subscription gets over, it sends them a message as well. And also once it doesn't update his subscription, it removes from that channel as well. So let's get started, and we see the things that once we just press the start, it's sending us the this message. So our users will be seeing this message, and once he will see multiple options for that. Once they will click on, let's suppose on the month lifetime, they will see this kind of option. And once they will do click on the PayPal, they can do the payment and the etc things. So we can add the PayPal, Stripe, and crypto payment integrations. So now this kind of interface would be seen by the user. Obviously we can customize it. Now I'm going to show you that how we can customize the things for our case. Now first thing is, we have admin panel from where we can do the changes that we want. So I'm going to add a password, so I'm hiding that thing. Now after adding the password, I will see this interface of the board. Now here all the explanations are given for these options that you have the board. Here we have the business name. We can change the name of anything there, the title name. And we can do the welcome message, the message that was first sent by the user, by the board to the user. So we can customize that message as well. And after that, we can also update the plans, remove the plans, delete the plan, create a new plan. We can see the subscriptions of all those users who has been subscribed to our by using our board. So once we will click there, it will give us all the details of those users who has subscribed so far. So these are the details. So now let's start with the welcome message. So if I want to update any welcome message, I can just put it here. So once I will put it here and will save it, the message will be updated. So whenever user will use our board, he will see that kind of message. Okay. Now the next thing is, the most important thing is that I must want to mention here is the payment option. So first let me show you those options. Now here, once we will click on the plans, currently I have a slow internet connection right now, you can see. Now here you can delete all the created plans, or you can create a plan. So if we delete all the plans which are already there, then we can add a new plan. I think so that would be fine. Here there are four plans created. If I want to delete any plan, I just will click that plan. It will ask me for delete. So I can delete this plan as well. It's my choice. If I don't want, I will go to the no. Okay, and I'm going to back. If I want to create a new plan, suppose I want to create a plan, I will click there. I will click on this button, create plan. Here I can add the name of plan, whatever, ABC plan or monthly plan or weekly plan. I'm just typing monthly plan. Now plan details, monthly subscription plan, I can call it. It's up to me, whatever I want to type here. So the user will see this. when he will using. Now we can see, write down the whole number amount, 50 or 30. We cannot type 50.9 or something like that, exact amount 40. Now this option is for that either we want to charge the users recurringly or one time payment. So if we go with zero, it will take them once, and once their subscription gets over, it will just send a message, and if they update themselves, fine, otherwise they will be removed. So I'm going with zero. Now here I can just click on monthly cycle is monthly, weekly, so in my case it was monthly. Now the last thing which is very important is the channel ID. So wherever you are adding the bot, you should have to get the channel ID of that channel. Now how to get it? It's always recommended that you use your uh, Telegram on your web version, and you can easily get your channel ID from there. Because on the, if you are in the channel here, you will not able to get the complete link of your channel, because in web version you are getting the complete link. So now let me go to that. Now you can see I am on the web version of the website of Telegram. Here you can see, if you will go to your Telegram channel, there you will see that this number will be coming. So this is called as channel ID. So once you will be creating your plan, you should give this ID to here, so that the bot should know that it belongs to that channel, so that once someone will add to that channel, it will just handle him that whether his subscription is gets over or not. So that is required. So I'm just putting a random ID 123. I'm just putting 123, but because I didn't created any channel so far. So in your case, you should give that channel where you are adding the bot. So once you will press now, it's asking for the more channels. If you want to add another channel, I mean if you want to add bot into multiple channels, you should click yes, otherwise you will go for the no. And now you can see this has been created. Once I will press create, now our plan has been created. So once the user will be using our board, they will able to see our plan. So I think so that's it for this part. Now I will show you the payment integration option. So once I will click there, we can add these type of payment integration in the board. So once I will click on the Stripe, it will ask me to enter the API key. So API key I have, if you need help that how you can create, you can simply click on the help. It will give you the guide that how you can is easily create those API keys. uh, I think so I have here also have the links, but later on I will show you that how you can do it. And if you want to integrate the PayPal, that is also possible. You can simply create your API ID or uh, hash ID and secret key there. You can get it from your PayPal. I have a separate video for that as well. You can create that and you can just give the bot here, so that that can be added and the payment goes to there. Same for the crypto. Now I think so you have understood the things. If you need any question, you can ask me. Now briefly, you can set your welcome message, you can create your plans, you can update your plans, you can delete your plans, you can integrate your payment integrations there. So this is the admin panel from where you can manage the whole activity of the board. Obviously, whatever you do here, the users will be seeing their side. One more thing, if you need help how to create this, I can show you through videos as well. Thanks and have a great day.